Hello everyone, Reggie Patterson here with Digital Retirement Rebels, and welcome to this week's Tuesday Tip. Now, in this week's Tuesday Tip, we are going to be talking about some of the difficulties you may encounter when rebranding your PLR and give you some suggestions on how to overcome them. Rebranding your PLR content is very important if you want to set yourself apart from all the other PLR buyers who own the same content as you. In fact, rebranding is really not an option. It's a necessity if you really want to succeed with your content marketing. That being said, there are several hurdles that you may face when trying to rebrand your PLR. But the good news is that none of these difficulties are even remotely as intimidating as they appear to be. There's nothing you can't master in this business without some learning and practice. Now, let's see what those difficulties are. First are the technical issues. These technical issues can be solved by educating yourself. If you're setting up your biz-in-a-box PLR, you'll need to know how to upload the files to your hosting and so on. And there are many tutorials on YouTube that cover just about everything you need to know, from pointing your domains to your hosting name servers to uploading files to your hosting account. All you'll need to do is follow along to these tutorials and you'll know exactly what to do. When rebranding your PLR, you'll need to create a new e-cover and sales page graphics. These are the key changes that you must make. If you can design them yourself, that would be great. If not, you'll have to hire a freelancer on Fiverr or just Google search for cheap mini site design and hire one of these sites to rebrand your image. The most important point to note here, which will make rebranding a breeze, is that your new graphics must have the same dimensions as the one that came in your PLR bundle. Since the sizes are the same, they'll fit in perfectly with the sales page and so on. The next step will be to give your new graphics the same file names as the ones that came with the PLR bundle. The files should be in the same format too. For example, if the graphics in your PLR bundle were in PNG format, the new rebranded images should be in PNG format too. Now all you need to do is copy and paste the new graphics into the folder of your PLR bundle. Let the new files overwrite the old files, and this will immediately create a brand new look for your sales page, opt-in reports, etc., which are pulling in the old images with the file names in the HTML code. But now, since the file names are the same, but the images are different, the whole sales page will look different. It's really as easy as that. Now all you need to do is upload the files to your hosting after you've added your buy buttons, etc. to the sales page. Another common difficulty that PLR buyers face is that they have no plan. They bought the PLR and don't know what to do with it. There's no point in rebranding your content if you have no idea how you're going to use it. This is why you need to form a plan first and stick to it. If you've decided to create a site on back pain, get content related to your niche. If you bought weight loss PLR, it would fit in with your plan since losing weight will alleviate stress on your back. If you bought yoga PLR, that would help too. So would stress relief PLR. All of these topics can be slanted to the back pain niche, and you could easily rebrand these content pieces. However, if you suddenly bought a PLR bundle on woodworking, what would you do now? It doesn't gel with your back pain niche and is a project all on its own. You now have two projects on your hands. And like Confucius said, the man who chases two rabbits catches neither. Formulate a plan and try not to deviate from it no matter how good a PLR deal you may come across. If it's not in your purview, you don't need it. You can always get it later on. And then we have a lack of ideas. Now, sometimes a dearth of ideas can curb your enthusiasm. You may struggle to come up with new titles to rebrand your PLR, or you may not have any idea on what new design to create for your graphics. As far as coming up with new product names, it's easy. Just get on Amazon and look at the best-selling books in your niche. Make a list of about 50 titles or so and mix and match them to create your own. You'll get tons of ideas when you use this method. And remember, titles cannot be copyrighted, so you could actually use the same exact title as another book. Just be careful not to use trademark names. And for graphic design, you can always hire someone to do it for you if you lack ideas or skill. And then there is not knowing which modules to rebrand. The most important part of rebranding your PLR content will be to get new graphics done. In fact, if it's the only module you rebrand, it will be good enough. There's no need to change every piece of content. All you need is a new look for your product. The writing can stay the same if you want it to. And finally, we have budget constraints. There's no denying that hiring freelancers to create new graphics for you may cost anywhere from $50 to $100, and if you're on a tight budget, this may be a difficulty. The best advice here is to put your rebranding on hold and save up until you have enough to get the job done. You could set money aside you earn at your day job, or you could freelance online to make extra money to fund your online business. Rebranding your PLR is not rocket science. As long as you find a way to give the product a new name and look, you have succeeded. It's really as simple as that. Now, we would like to invite you to some free training that we have about rebranding any PLR that you may have. This could be text PLR or video PLR, basically any type of PLR, and the training will walk you through the best ways to rebrand it. So if you're interested, you can grab it for free at impc.ws/PLR rebrand. Okay, that's it for today. Take care, and I will see you again next week.